Step 1. Boil water. Add salt 1 spoon. Oil 1 spoon. Now add spaghetti as required. Boil 8 minutes. Step 2. Marinate chicken 1 cup. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Redchilli powder 1 spoon. Cumin seed 1 spoon. Salt as required. Black pepper 1 spoon. Soya sauce to spoon. Chili sauce to spoon. Vinegar 3 spoon. Mix it well. Leave 10 minutes. Step 3. Add oil 1/2 cup. Ginger, garlic, chili paste 5 spoon. Fry 2 minutes. Add marinate masala. Fry 2 minutes. Cover and cook 4 minutes. Add carrot slice to cup. Add potato to cup. Onion chopped 1 cup. Bell pepper slice 1, tomato 1. Fry 5 minutes. Cover and cook on medium flame 3 minutes. Now add spaghetti. Mix it well. Green coriander. Mix it well and ready to serve. Time to eat. Thanks for watching.